In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete multiple projects on GitHub. So first, I open GitHub on my PC. So I need to click on this profile option. Then I click on repositories. That's it. So you can find here a few website, a few projects I already uploaded. So I need to going on each by each. So now you need to click on now setting. This option setting at the last moment you can see this is a delete this repository. Just click here, then I want to delete this one. Understand this effect? Okay, I need to type this work on this comment section. That's it will be deleted. Okay, you can see it's already deleted, so I need to verify via email. Okay, I just click here, then I check my email. They are sent a confirmation mail, then click on verify. That's it. So you can see this is already deleted. So this is the method how you can delete a project on GitHub. So you can delete um, following this method. So if I going to another one, just open this project, then going on setting, then scroll down at the last moment you can see delete these repositories, then again click on I want to delete. So I understand, then again just type this word on this comment section, just delete the repositories. Okay, so this is the method how you can delete multiple project. So if you found this video helpful for me, like subscribe the channel. Second, take care. Goodbye.